Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a third-year student studying data science and economics, and I'm going to tell you a bit about the project I worked on and the overall internship experience. I was doing image retrieval with convolutional neural networks under Dr. Killen Lee. And what image retrieval is basically you have a query image, you have a data set of images, and you want to find all the visually similar images to that query image, just like Google's search by image.
One of the things we worked on was Oxford 5K. There's 11 different buildings and there's 5,000 images of those buildings.
All taken from different angles, different lighting, different time of day, and the objective is basically just that given one image of a building, you want to find all the images that are of that same building. Typical way to carry out image retrieval is you have your images and then you apply some technique, often a neural network, to generate a set of mathematical descriptors for those images. And then after that, you use some other technique to rank those descriptors. And the aim of our project was very simply to see which ranking techniques worked best with which descriptor generation techniques. Within this, I was working on the re-ranking step. So there were three main algorithms that I used. Firstly, you can do the naive approach of just taking the distance using some function like cosine or Euclidean distance. Secondly, you can carry out query expansion, where you find the top n results, like the top 5, and then you create a new query that's the average of those queries, and then for the rest of your results you use that query instead. And thirdly, you can carry out diffusion, where instead of looking at everything at once, you sort of say, well, what's closest to the query image, and then what's closest to those images, and then what's closest to those images, and you sort of look at the internal structure of the data instead of taking the just raw distance in one go. If I were to sum up the internship experience, I would say it was difficult but very rewarding. There were a lot of things I was unfamiliar with. At times I went down tangents that didn't lead anywhere, and there was a lot of debugging. But the underlying organization of the Pawsey staff and the support systems in place were just incredible. From having an experienced research lead to guide you and push you in the right direction, to the team of Pawsey intern mentors who not only were available to answer questions, not only held weekly catch-up sessions, but also put together a vast range of videos and tutorials on how to do certain things. The capacity to learn and improve in the internship was amazing, and in the end I didn't get quite as far as I would have liked to, but I did manage to learn so much, and it's an incredible opportunity that I definitely